Okay, so see here. So yesterday I have explained about the 2016 version installation. So today I will explain the steps of 2015 version. Okay, so when you download the software means it will be like this: MATLAB 2015 64-bit software dot rar. That rar is nothing but like it is compressed file. Okay, zip file. So first you need to right click here and click on extract all. Okay, so extract all, select the folder. So he drive, the folder name is MATLAB for 2015. You click on extract. Okay, so then it will start to extract the file. You will get the like extracted file. Okay, so it will take some 5 minutes. Like who is having 5G means you can download it, like so it is around 7 GB storage, so you can download it. So if you need any like if you're not having any internet connection means you can like share with offline. Okay, using the pen drives and all. Your friend will download it, so you can copy that file folder from the your pen drive and you can paste it in your laptops. Okay, so you can install offline if you are not having any net means. Okay, so if you are using 5G means it's okay, so you can download it. So like I am having our 2016 software also. So that is for around 8 GB of storage. So I have not much storage in the Google Drive. Okay, so that's why I am sharing the 2015 version. So which is already in the Google Drive. Okay, so Google Drive is storage will be around 15 GB. That's all. So for that purpose, I am sharing the 2015 version. So there will be a little bit changes on the installation steps compared to 2016 and 15. So now I will tell the 2015 version how to install it in your laptops. So take down those steps. Okay, and if you need 2016 means you can visit our office. So come with one pen drive. Okay, so I will share the software, you can take it. 2016, 18. Okay, so there are multiple softwares. So there will be like the storage. Okay, so the file size will be more compared to the version. Okay, so now 2015 is around 7.5 GB, 16 will be 8.5 GB. So that's like that the 2018 will be 12 GB. Okay, okay, so now we have extracted the file of MATLAB 2015 version. Okay, so it will be like this 2015. Okay, so this is a compressed file. So this is a extracted file. Okay, 2015 64-bit software. So double click on that, again double click. So here you can directly like click on this setup. Okay, So there are three folders in the 2016 version. Okay, so here the installation of 15 version is different compared to the 16. So just you need to open the folder, and here there is a setup file. Okay, so setup application. So just double click on the setup application. So select yes. So here also same same procedure little bit. So there is a differences in some steps. I will explain that. So here you need to select this option, use a file installation key, no internet connection. Okay, select this one, click on next. So terms and conditions, select yes, and click on the next button. Has here you need to put the license key. Okay, so select this. Here you need to copy paste the license key. So license key will be here. So click on the readme file. Okay, okay, this is not okay. One second. Yes, so inside the cracked there is a install. Okay, so here you can find the license number. So go to the crack folder, double click here. So here there will be install file, double click. Yes, so here you have the license key. This is the license key. Okay, copy and paste here. Okay, and after pasting it, click on next. So here you need to select the folder where you need to install the MATLAB software. Okay, so check whether the drive is having sufficient storage or not. So his C drive is having 83. Okay, so I will install it in the E drive. Okay, so in this folder, just go to the MATLAB here. Okay, so browse it and go to the this PC. So here select the E drive. Here you need to create one folder. Okay, so folder called MATLAB 2015 installation. Okay, installation files. Okay, so this is a new folder, so where you will install the MATLAB software. Okay, MATLAB 2015 installation files, select this one. Okay, so now all the installation files will be inside this folder, MATLAB 2015 installation files, which is in a E drive. Okay, so why I selected the E drive means when the C drive is full means the system will hang. Okay, so for that better I will install the MATLAB software in the E drive. Okay, then click on the next. So here these are all the tools of the MATLAB software. Click on the next. Again you can directly click on the install button. Okay, so it will take some time. So now it is 0%. So it is it will load to 100%. Okay now, so wait for some time. So now it is 100%. So now click on the next. So now click on the finish. Okay, so now search for the MATLAB here. MATLAB. So you will get an application here, so click on that. So click on S for the activation module. So here click on active manually without the internet. Select next. Click here. So here you need to select the license file. Okay, so click on the browse, and here you need to go to the folder where you have downloaded the MATLAB extracted file. Okay, sorry, extracted file. Okay, so this one is the extracted file. So open this one, click on open, again select this one, click on open. So here you need to select the license file. Okay, so it will be inside the crack. Okay, inside the crack folder you will find the LIC standalone. Okay, LIC standalone .dat. This is a license for file. You need to click on the select. Okay, so now click on next. So now activation is completed. Okay, click on finish. Yes, so this is all about the installation of the MATLAB. So now the next step is open the MATLAB extracted file here, MATLAB 64-bit software. Okay, double click on this, open it. So here you need to go to the cracked version. So here you need to copy bin etc and bin Java and toolbox, these three folders. Okay, bin Java toolbox, copy these three folders, and you need to paste it in the installation folder. Okay, so where we have installed the MATLAB software. So MATLAB we have installed it in the E disk. Okay, E disk. So here we have created one folder called MATLAB installation files. Double click on that. Okay, so here you need to copy paste the three folders. Those are bin. Okay, so bin from the extracted folder. Okay, bin, copy the bin folder. Okay, copy the bin. Okay, and go to the installation folder. Okay, MATLAB installation folder, right click on paste. Okay, so it will ask replace the files, means click on the replace the files destination. Okay, again go to the extracted folder, copy Java and toolbox, these two files, right click, copy, and go to the installation folder, right click, paste, click on replace the files. Done. So now you can open the MATLAB software. So let us try to open the MATLAB software. So go to the start menu, type MATLAB. So you will find an application. Okay, so here there is a MATLAB. Click on that. So it is a 2015 A version. Yesterday I was telling about 2016 A version. Okay, na? So it is little bit 1 year old version. So which is having less storage compared to the 2016, and also some of the features will be not there in the MATLAB 2015 version compared to 2016. So but you will have the basic functions. Okay, you will having the basic all the basic functions will be inside the MATLAB 2015 version, and program scripting part, Simulink library, Simscape, all are same, similar to the 16 version. So it will take some time for first time Okay, first time if you open the file for first time, it will take some time. Okay. So when you when the software is open means it will look like this. Okay. So here there is a command window. If you need editor window means just click on the new script option here. Okay, so click on the new script. Okay, so now we got the editor window. So here you can write the full program. Okay, so and here you will get the output in the command window. Okay, now so it will like asking some access. Just click on the yes. Okay. Yes, so here you can write the program. Here you will get the output. So here it shows all the variables. Okay, so if you stored any value in the variable means it will display here. Okay, variable name and the value of the variable. So then you need to include an folder here, so where you will save all the files. Okay, so just click on this include folder. So go to the desktop, so create one folder in the desktop. Okay, MATLAB programs, create one folder called MATLAB programs in the desktop. Just select this MATLAB program folders and click on the select folder. Okay, so now there is an yesterday's file. Okay, simple.m, so you can just open it by double clicking it. Okay, it will open the programming file. Okay, .m file. Always, as I told you on the yesterday, scripting file will be saved with the extension of .m, and the symlink file will be stored in the .slx. Okay, so you cannot open without MATLAB software. Always you need a MATLAB software to open these files. Yes, so here we have a simple program. So a is loaded with a value of 2. Okay, like that, a b c d, so loaded with the different numbers. After that e is calculated with some formula. Okay, a plus b minus c into d. Okay, let us run this program and check the output here. Yes, so here in the command window you can see the e value is -27, and the variables a is equal to 2. So whatever the program we have written here, the same values will be displayed in the workspace. Okay, and next so this is a basic things in the MATLAB scripting part. Okay, so here you can just write the C program and do some calculations, formulas, and build the applications, do the image processing. All the main operations can be done using the MATLAB scripting part. Okay, so then you need to go to the Simulink library. Just go click on the home section. So here you can directly click on the Simulink library. Otherwise you can just type the Simulink name in the command window. Both are correct. So I will click on the Simulink library here. Same from this step, so it will be similar to the 2016 version. So both are similar, there is no changes. Only installation steps will be different compared to the 16 version and 15 version. Okay, and you will not get any software. The software is not free, so it is a cracked version. So if you need any legal application means you need to pay in the platform, MATLAB platform. From there you can download the software with paid version. Okay. So today I will just explore the Simulink library and explain the basic blocks of inside the Simulink, Simscape, SimPower systems and all. Okay, so I will show you how the blocks are built. Okay, and how the electric circuits are built. All the things which are the basics. Okay, first you need to explore the software. After that you can start with the modeling and all. Yes, so we got the Simulink library here. Okay, so this is a Simulink library. So to open the new block means just you can click here. Okay, so new model. So just click on that. Yes, so we got the new block. So here you can build multiple modules related to electric vehicles or anything. Okay, aerospace or communications, embedded systems. Okay, so here just I will go through the like Simulink library blocks. So in the commonly used blocks, we will get some these blocks. Okay, where the recent blocks used blocks will be displayed in the commonly used blocks. Okay, then we have the continuous library, so where you can find the integer integrators, derivatives. Okay, so these are for the mathematical and scientific calculations. Okay, so you can use these blocks while the doing integration, differentiations and all. Okay, also you can find the PID controller where it will calculate signals based on the output signals. Okay, then there is a dashboards. So here you can find the gauge, off gauge. So these are the analog indicators. Okay, and you have the knob. Okay, so these are the analog device where you can vary the like different vary the values based on the rotation. Then there is a lamp, linear gauges. Okay, slider switch. So here you can link these components with the signals, output signals, and you can show the outputs. Next, the discontinuous. Here you can find like modules related to the like input waveforms, so square waveforms. Okay, or else so where you can break the signals. So all these blocks are available in the discontinuous. Okay, commonly we will use this relay block in the modules. So when you are doing, I will go in depth about this block. Okay, so like if you need any information about this block means just right click here and click on the help for relay block. It will show all the details about this block. Okay, so help for relay block means it will open the documentation part and it will show in detailed information of that particular block. Okay, next we have discrete. Okay, so I clicked that about the like this block, relay block. Okay, so here you can find description, so what the block will do. Okay, and what are the like settings inside that you can do. Okay, all the details will be available, and the simple interface is also available in the example part. Okay, like this you can check any details, any block details inside the Simulink library. And next, discrete. Inside the discrete we have multiple blocks related to PID converters, delay modules. Okay, and memories. So we will not we will not use these regularly, so in some applications we will use these type of blocks. Next we have logic and bit operations where the OR and so these operations are can be done, bit clear, bit set. Okay, and matrix combination logics. Okay, so all these operations can be done inside the logic and bit operators. And also we have the and operator, relation operators. Okay, next, lookup tables. So here we have multiple blocks which are related to the some calculations and all. Then math operations. So here you can find the basic addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, gains. Okay, these blocks will be inside the math operations. Okay, so and you can like take any shapes. So here there is a round shaped sum block. Okay, so here also there is a square block which is used for subtract purpose. Okay, then we have a model verification. So here we have like used for the aeronautical projects and all. So these blocks are used for in that applications, dynamic upper bound. Okay, so for the mechanical purpose. Next, model wide. So here we have like simple blocks related to the some applications. Okay, so next, ports and subsystems. So here we have like inputs, outputs. Okay, so we will use these blocks. okay, when doing this modeling and all. Next, in the signal attributes we have multiple signals like probes, rate transitions, conversions, okay, bus to vectors, data type conversion, so multiple blocks used for the conversion purpose. Next, signal routines. So here we will use these widely, okay. What are these means? Bus creator, bus selector, okay. Bus creator is nothing but you can exclude multiple signals in a single wire, okay. So you can make it a single bus using multiple input signals, okay. So for that purpose we use bus creator. And bus selector is taking one input signal and dividing it into multiple outputs. So inside that signal input there will be a multiple sub values, so you will take different values output in the output side, okay. So then we have demux, so which will multiplies the input, okay. So then there is a mux, which is decreases the input signals, okay. So then there is a from and go to and blocks, so these are wireless communication blocks, so where you can directly interface two blocks without any connections, okay. These are used for the wireless communications and all. Next, inside the sinks there will be display modules, scope to generate the waveforms, okay, displays to show the values. Floating this scope is nothing but like you cannot we will not connect any wires to this floating scope, you will communicate wirelessly, okay. For that purpose we use floating scope. So like this there are multiple output devices, so there where you will see multiple waveforms and values and all. Next, there is a sources library where you can find the constant blocks, input, nothing but input blocks, where you will give pulse generator as an input, repeating sequences. So these are widely used types of blocks, okay. Then we have sine wave, step waveforms. So now I will show a simple sine wave generation using multiple blocks. First we will take a sine wave block, okay. So you can drag the block here from the library and place it here, or else you can just right click, okay, just right click here and click on add block, so it will add one block, okay. So there are two options to add the block. And one more option is you can just click here on the empty space and type the block name, it will show the blocks. That is also available in the MATLAB to take the blocks, okay. I will search for sine wave, so it will show multiple sine wave blocks. Just you can just click here and it will take the block, okay. So like that you can add the blocks to your model, okay. So I will take only one sine waves. So after this sine wave we need a output window. For that you go to the sinks part, take a scope block, okay, place it here. So this is a scope where you will get the waveform like that output. So this is sine wave. So here you can double click here and you can see the information inside the waveform, okay. And you can set the amplitude, bias, frequency, whatever the project is based on, okay. So amplitude I will make it as 10, okay. So it will go to the amplitude of 10, okay. Frequency let it be 1. So just click on the apply and click on the OK, okay. So like this you can change the values in the sine waves. Okay, now just change the amplitude value, that's all. So sine type should be time based, use simulation type, that's all. So after that there are multiple options, leave it as it is, okay, default. Just click on the OK, planned OK. So now we have made the amplitude to 10 and here there is a scope, so it will show directly arrow mark. So if you just click here it will connect, okay. If the same blocks are in the same path, okay. If it is the block, if you place this block here means it will not show, okay. When the two blocks are exact in the same place means it will show some arrow mark, you can directly click here and connect it, okay. So now to connect it, you need to drag one line from this block to this block. That's all. This is how to make this connection. Okay. So just keep, I will keep this block here. Okay, I will just click here and drag this line towards this block and connect here. Okay, it will connect automatically. Okay, so this is simple uh, sine wave output. We will check it. So you need to click on the run button here. If you click here means the program will execute. Okay, it's compiling and done. So here it is showing paused like that. So again I will click it. Okay, so now the program is executed. So to check the output waveform, you need to just double click on the scope. Okay, double click on the scope. Yes, so here you will get the waveform. Okay, now so it is showing like already zoomed. Okay, for the like exact page setup, just you can press here. Okay, it says auto scale. Okay, just click on that option, so it will show full waveform. Okay, so amplitude we have given as a 10, so that's why the waveform is around amplitude after 10 amplitude. Okay, 0 it goes to the 10, and through inside the towards the negative it will goes minus 10. Okay, like this the sine wave is generated inside the scope block. Okay, so this simple method to design the blocks and connect it. So then so after this simulink library we have multiple blocks. Okay, so inside the user defined function there is a MATLAB function where you can build your own blocks. Okay, using, you can use any formula, or else you can do any you can build an own blocks with multiple calculations, any formulas or anything. Okay, for that purpose we use MATLAB functions. So and here there is a aerospace where the like more blocks used for the to design the aviation modules and all. Okay, so I will not go in depth in this portion. Okay, and then we have aerodynamics. Okay, animations which is related to aerospace. These all the things are related to the aerospace. Okay, if we will skip this one, and this one, these three are related to computer vision systems. Okay, and this is depend on the DSP system toolbox. Okay, we will continue with the simscape here. Okay, so simscape, so here the major library we can find here in the inside the simscape. Okay, yes, so inside the simscape we will find the foundation library. Okay, and these all things inside the simscape. So in the foundation library, when you double click on this block, you will find the multiple blocks related to the electrical, hydraulic, okay, magnetic, mechanical. Okay, we will select electrical. So inside this there is elements, sensors, sources. Inside the elements there will be like components called capacitor, diode, basic electronic components. Okay, inside the elements part. So you can just take the resistor, op amp, indicator, inductor. Okay, so transformer also available. So after elements there will be sensors, so where the two sensors, current sensor and voltage sensor. Okay, you can measure the current and voltage in the circuits and all. Then there is an electrical sources, so these are the AC current source, voltage sources. Okay, where these are used for the giving input voltage for the circuits and all. Okay, and in the hydraulics you will find the like mechanical related blocks, so leave it. So then we have sim power systems, so sim electronics is also there, so just you can check it. Okay, there will be like actuators and all. You can have PWM, bridge, unipolar stepper motor driver and all. Okay, so that is also available in the simulink library. Then we have we will check it sim power systems. Okay, so inside the sim power system there are two blocks, that is Simscape components, specialized technologies. Okay, so inside Simscape components we have like connections, machines, passive sensors, also semiconductors, switches. Okay, all the things. So you can take blocks and you can build in circuits. Okay, inside the machine there are motors, generators. Okay, all the things. Inside the semiconductors we have the rectifier, converter, all the blocks. Then we have sensors. So here voltage sensor, current sensor, same blocks. And sources, we will get the battery, current source, voltage source and all. So these are the three-phase current source. Voltage are the three-phase voltage source. Switches and breakers. So here we will get the circuit breakers, switches, two-way switches and all. Then we will go to the specialized technologies. Okay, so here you can find the like control and measurement. So here there will be multiple blocks related to the measurements and components related to the filters and all. So when you go to the measurements and measurement block, so you will find multiple blocks which will measure the different types of values inside the circuits. So then there is the electric drives. So here there is the AC drives, DC drives, extra sources and all. So inside the extra sources you can find the battery, fuel cell stacks and all. So where you can build the electric vehicles, battery systems. And the facts, inside the facts there will be like power electronic based transformers, transmission devices will be inside the these facts and all. Then there is a fundamental blocks. Inside that there will be electric sources that is means DC voltage, AC voltages and all. Okay, elements, machines, measurements, power electronics devices. So then inside the renewables there is a solar. Okay, you can take the solar panels and all. And wind generation, you can take the fans, wind turbines. Okay, so then the renewable energy examples. Okay, so this is all about the sim power systems, specialized technologies and all. Okay, so you can explore more libraries related to multiple domains. Okay, designing, real-time data visualizations toolbox. Okay, vision, vehicle network toolbox. So you can find all the domains libraries inside the Simulink. Okay, now. So like from uh, till today we have only discussed in a 1 hour class. Okay, so we have got information from our faculties. So we'll take 2 hours class from Monday onwards. So we'll keep ready with the softwares, MATLAB software in your laptops. Okay, Monday onwards we'll start with the MATLAB software. Be ready with the software. All of you must and should install the softwares in your laptops. Okay, so if